Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about logarithm. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to simplify about this one into a single natural law. So now I will show you how to answer. We have ln of A plus ln B equals to ln of A multiplied by B. The next one, ln A minus ln B. We have ln of A over B. Now we can apply two formulas in here. So we have negative, so we can put like this. So we know that number 5 in here we can put inside about natural law. That's it, this formula in here. ln A to the power of B equals to B ln A. So number 5, that's about B. Capital A, that's about 10s. So we can do similar for this one. Next, we have positive in here, so we can apply this formula in here. This one, number 4 multiplied by number 3, we have number 12. About this one, that should be like this. Next, we have the negative, that is about this one. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.